Hello there and welcome back to Woodworker Express. Today I will teach you how to figure out what size to make your drawer box for Undermount drawer slides. Now, depending on the Undermount drawer slide manufacturer, there are generally two options for Undermount drawer slides depending on the drawer material thickness. You can purchase either drawer slides designed for material up to 5/8 of an inch thick, or you can purchase slides for 3/4 of an inch thick drawer material. The most commonly used drawer box material is generally anywhere from 1/2 inch thick to 5/8 of an inch thick. For this type of drawer, you will be using the drawer slides that are designed for up to 5/8 of an inch thick drawer box material. So with these slides and a drawer box thickness of 5/8 of an inch, your final overall outside box width will be 3/8 of an inch narrower than the opening of your cabinet. Now, with these same exact slides and your drawer box material thickness is, say, 1/2 of an inch, your final overall width of the drawer box will be 5/8 of an inch narrower than the opening of your cabinet. Simple as that. I highly recommend making a little cheat sheet with these measurements on it. That way you can always go back quickly and double check, especially if you're new to, Undermount drawer slides or ordering slides. This will save you a ton of time. Now let's talk about the sides of the drawer box. That material length will depend on the length of slides that you are purchasing. So let's say you have 21-inch Undermount drawer slides. Your outside drawer box side length will be 21 inches. Easy as that, super simple, nothing complicated. Now, for the height of your drawer box, you want to generally deduct about 1 inch from the height of your cabinet opening to allow the Undermount slide to have plenty of room for adjustability and a little bit of movement here and there. I always subtracted about 1.25 inches from my opening just to make sure and play it extra safe. Never had any issues. Now let's quickly talk about the second and final option of Undermount drawer slides that are designed for drawer material that is 3/4 of an inch thick. For these slides and a drawer material thickness of 3/4 of an inch, you will deduct 7/16 of an inch from your opening to get your final overall box width. Now the plus with this is the same rules go and apply for the sides of the drawer box and the height of the drawer box. You're going to deduct 1 inch from the height and your side is going to be identical to the length of the slide. So, as always, I hope this video was very helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to Woodworker Express on the YouTube for more videos, and be sure to let us know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. We will see you next time. Alright, so the video on your left is all about the WE Preferred Undermount drawer slide, which is one of my favorites, and the video on the right is all about the Bloom Undermount drawer slides, which are pretty rockin' too. Go ahead and give one of those a click to learn a little bit more about each one.